Okay, so we've all seen the Honor 20. The Honor 20 offers decent spec and a versatile cameras for an affordable price point. But if you are looking for something more powerful, the more capable sibling among the two, which is the Honor 20 Pro, will be coming to Malaysia really soon. And that's what I have here with me. So let's check out what's inside the box. Okay, so right now we are going to open this box. Okay, so we'll set this aside first, we'll talk about it later. And here you have a small box, then you will get a SIM ejector tool as well as a clear jelly case. Then inside you will also get a USB-C cable. Oh, we will also get a dongle. That only means that this device will not come with a 3.5mm headphone jack. And there is also this power brick which supports Huawei Supercharged 22.5 watt. Okay, so that's pretty much it. That's what you get inside the box. Okay, now once that's done, let's move on to the Honor 20 Pro itself. Oh, what an interesting color. So the Honor 20 Pro I have here with me is the Phantom Blue version. But if you reflect it to the light, you'll see that this device is actually green. So tell me, what do you think? Do you think it's green or is it blue? And yes, it still retains the glossy back from the standard Honor 20. You can also see there's 3 cameras aligned vertically at the back here. And if you look closely, there's a 4th camera right over here. I'll tell you more details later. And instead of an in-display fingerprint scanner, the Honor 20 Pro gets a physical one, which plays right over here. So it also doubles up as a power button. Ooh, and the fingerprint scanner is actually pretty quick. And on top of the fingerprint scanner, you can also see there's a volume rocker right on top here. And here you will also get an IR blaster. And at the bottom, you'll get speakers as well as a USB-C port. And there is also a SIM tray right at the left side of the device. So let's check out what's inside. Okay, so let's take a SIM ejector tool. Oh, okay. So as you can see, it only supports 2 nano SIM. So that means you cannot expand further with a micro SD card. So the Honor 20 Pro also retains the same 6.26-inch Full HD Plus display and a flagship class Kirin 980 processor, just like the Honor 20. You will also find a tiny hole at the top left corner that houses the 32-megapixel selfie camera. This device also gets 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of internal storage. Moving on to the camera department, like I mentioned before, it comes with a quad camera setup. And interestingly, this device currently have the 2nd highest score on DxOMark, beating devices like the Huawei Mate 20, the iPhone XS, as well as the Samsung Galaxy S10. This is because the Honor 20 comes with a 48-megapixel main camera and it also has an aperture of f1.4. So having a larger aperture generally allows more light to pass through, and in theory, it should perform better in low light. Besides that, it also gets 60-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera and 8-megapixel telephoto lens that offers 3 times optical zoom, and there's also a 2-megapixel macro camera for those who like taking pictures up close. Besides the camera, the Pro variant also gets a larger battery capacity. So the Honor 20 Pro comes with a 4000 mAh battery, and it also supports 22.5 watt supercharge via a USB-C cable. However, the Honor 20 Pro isn't available in Malaysia yet, but the local launch event will be happening this month. Okay guys, so that's it. That's my unboxing for the Honor 20 Pro. So what do you think of this device? So let me know in the comments below. So if you like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also hit the notification bell icon so that you'll be informed whenever we post a new video. And remember to check out our latest video here, and also another video here. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!